At Peoria Production Solutions, our reputation for quality and reliability is trusted by everyone, from Fortune 500 manufacturers to leading consumer and industrial product makers. We are ISO 9001:2015 certified, a 501c3 nonprofit, and a certified federal supplier. We specialize in packaging services, kitting services, subassembly, and fulfillment services. Our inventory automation and high-precision machinery help us deliver consistent, top-quality results. Equipped for productivity and performance, our 250,000-plus square foot production space across 2 Peoria locations enables us to take on large projects safely and efficiently. We have strict climate control and separate bays for shipping and receiving. That means your raw materials, components, and finished products are handled with the highest standards of safety, integrity, and cleanliness. We're also in the perfect location. Peoria Production Solutions is within a one-day drive of 50% of the U.S. population, located near major highways, railways, and air transportation, which means we can move your products quickly and efficiently across the country or around the world. Organizations like Pet Ag, Bump Box, Wet and Forget, and Onyx trust us with their contract packaging and kitting needs. They rely on our eco-friendly materials, automated equipment, and process enhancements to deliver results on a global scale. With more than 80 years of experience, Peoria Production Solutions is an independent, customer-focused organization. We're known for world-class services, competitive pricing, and quality you can count on. When you choose Peoria Production Solutions, you're choosing a partner with the people, the facility, and the expertise to deliver quality you can trust. For more information, visit us at www.peoriapros.com.